Okay. Okay now?
Fine.
Sairam children, how are you? I hope you're fit and fine.
Yes, ma'am. Sai Ram. We are fit and fine. Thanks,
Okay,
ma'am.
very good. Good to hear that. And I hope you're enjoying this lovely weather with hot samosas and pakoras. Yes, very good.
Yeah,
So,
ma'am. We are enjoying food,
yes,
but
very
with
much.
not
Very
samosa.
nice. Yes.
With
And
baby food.
so, yes, very good. Good to hear that. And stay safe at home. Don't come out of your house, okay? Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
we will start today's English class and let us see what we have today. We will start something new. We have something in the from the old also and also from something in the new one. So let us check out but before we begin, let us do the Omkaram. So please join your hands. Om. Om. Oh, Sairam children, as I said that today we are going to do something from the old unit and something from the new unit, next unit. So let us see the presentation. For that, I need to present the screen. So give me a minute. Yes. Has the screen loaded, children? Can you see it?
I can see it. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now, as you can see here, today we will do Unit 5 and Unit 6. So, let us see what we have. Now, from Unit 5, all were completed, only the make sentences were left. So, we will complete the make sentences today. And children, I want to tell you something on this. Now, make sentences I am letting you write because this is just a template. I am just helping you to get on with the make sentences. But if you feel you can write better sentences or much easy sentence than this, you are always free to write. Okay? It is not that you just have to write this sentence only. You can write much better sentences than me. And you are all welcome for that. I will not get angry. You can write your own sentence also. But if you have problem, it is there to just to help you. It is just one template to show you how it is done. Okay. So we will start. I will read the sentence, the word and the sentence, and I want you to repeat after me. So shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. So first word is grandmother. Can you repeat?
Grandmother.
Yes, very good. And a very common sentence. I love my grandmother very much.
I love my grandmother very much.
Yes. I hope you also love your grandmother very much.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Now the next word is circle.
Circle.
Yes. And the sentence is we all stood in a circle.
We all stood in a circle.
Very good. We all stood in a circle means इसका मतलब क्या है जब हम हाथ पकड़ के एक सर्कल बना के खड़े होते हैं इट इज टेलिंग दैट वी ऑल स्टूड
Yes,
इन
ma'am.
अ सर्कल नेक्स्ट इज ड्रू
True.
ड्रू मीन्स it is the past tense of draw
Okay,
we
drew.
have already heard and what is the sentence she drew a lovely picture
She drew a lovely picture.
yes now the next is balloon it is very common So I bought a big red balloon from the fair.
I bought balloon. I bought a big red balloon from the fair.
Yes, fair means mela. We have already heard in the merry-go-round poem that, and in the fair generally we have the balloon walas and all. And so I got a big red balloon from the fair. Next is zigzag. Zigzag, I told you, alternately left and right, moving left and right. And it is like a snake movement also. Have you seen the snake move? They move in a zigzag way. So it is saying
Yes,
that the snake moved in a zigzag path. Repeat the sentence.
yes, ma'am. Zigzag. The snake moved in a zigzag path.
Very good. Now it is clapped. Clapped, you know very good. Tali marna. Okay. So clap. We all clapped after the dance was over.
Clapped. We all clapped after the dance class was over.
Yes. So generally when do we clap? When we appreciate something, when we praise something that it is very nice. So we clap, isn't it? Now, next is added. Added means to put more or to increase, okay? To put more. So what does the sentence say? I added some more sugar to the nimbu pani. Can you read the sentence?
Yes, ma'am. I did. I added some more sugar to the Nimbu pani.
Yes. Now you know added. So maybe the
Yes,
sugar
ma'am.
was less. चीनी कम था नींबू पानी में, मैंने थोड़ा और मिला दिया. तो थोड़े और मिलाने को कहते हैं added. Okay. Next is wheel. Wheel means the wheel or the pahiya, we can call it. The vehicle that helps it to move. The wheel of the cart was damaged.
Wheel. The wheel of the cart was damaged.
Yes. What does that mean? Means wheel, cart के means the you can say the बैलगाड़ी. तो बैलगाड़ी के जो पहिए थे वो डैमेज हो गया, माने यानी खराब हो गया. So that it means the wheel of the cart was damaged. Okay. And the last is rabbit. We know rabbit is a cute animal, right? So rabbit.
Yes,
I want to keep a white rabbit as a pet. Can you repeat?
rabbit. I want to keep a white rabbit as a pet.
Yes, very good. Now that means I want to keep a pet animal, that is white rabbit. So we have done the make sentences. Make sentences are over. And now we will start something new. Now before we start, can you tell me that do you have fruits? In this season we must have fruits, okay? The whole year round in fact. And do you have fruits?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
eat fruits?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is your favorite fruit?
Ma'am, I love mango and
Yes.
apple.
Very good.
But today
Then
I
you will
ate
be
pomegranate.
okay. Very good. Very good. You should have fruits. Okay. And this season we are getting the mangoes and you can enjoy. And you will be very happy to know that the next is a poem and on your favorite fruit only. Let us see. Can you see what fruit?
Apple.
Yes. Very good. So you must be very happy. So I will read the poem
Yes.
and first listen to it, then we shall read it together. Okay, Unit 6. What is the name? If I were an apple. This means if.
Unit 6. Yes.
Yes. First, let me read it full, then you can read. Okay? First, you listen.
Yes, ma'am.
Enjoy the poem. If I were an apple means, that means if I were an apple myself, what I would do. Now, let us read. If I were an apple and grew on a tree, I think I'd drop down on a nice boy like me. I wouldn't stay there giving nobody joy. I'd fall down at once and say, "Eat me, my boy." Okay, that was the poem. It is a short poem and nice one. So now we will read it together. Okay, I will read one little bit and you will follow after me. Okay, now let
Yes,
us say the name. If I were an apple.
if I were an apple.
Yes. If I were an apple
If I were an apple
and grew on a tree,
and grew on a tree,
I think
I think
I drop down
I dropped down
on a nice boy
on a nice boy
like me.
like me.
I wouldn't stay there
I wouldn't stay there
giving nobody joy.
giving nobody joy.
I'd fall down at once
I fall down at once
and say,
and say,
"Eat me, my boy."
"Eat me, my boy."
Okay, very good. You read it very nicely. So there is a big clap for you. Okay, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now you can put your mic to the mute and I will explain
Okay.
the poem. Okay. Now, what does it say? If I were an apple and grew on a tree. So the boy is thinking. See, can you see the bubble? He's thinking. Bubble means in his thoughts. He's seeing the apple. So he's thinking, if I were an apple. अगर मैं खुद एप्पल होता तो क्या करता? And grew on a tree. अगर मैं पेड़ पे फलता और एप्पल होता तो क्या करता? I think I'd drop down on a nice boy like me. Yes. तो वो क्या करता? अगर वो पेड़ पे उगता तो एक गुड बॉय पे, नाइस बॉय पे वो गिर जाता. तो the apple decided that if the boy decided that if he would have been an apple, then he will fall down. He will fall down on a nice boy like this child. I wouldn't stay there giving nobody joy. So what does he say? That मैं पेड़ पर नहीं रुक जाता क्योंकि वहां पे खाने वाला तो कोई नहीं है, तो किसी को जॉय नहीं मिलता, किसी को खुशी नहीं मिलता, तो मैं नीचे गिर जाता एक बॉय पे ताकि वो मुझे खा सके और हैप्पी हो सके. So he is saying that I wouldn't stay there giving nobody joy. So he is saying if I will stay in the tree, nobody can eat me. So nobody will get the joy. Nobody will get the happiness. But if I fall down and someone picks me and eats me, then he or she will be happy eating the apple. So I would rather fall down. I would prefer to fall down and help somebody fill their stomach, fill their hunger. So that will be helping somebody. But if I will stay in the tree, I will help nobody. Nobody will be happy. So I will not do that. So that is the poem. Have you understood that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now let us see the new words. There are not much new words. So I will say and you can repeat after me. The new words. Apple. Can you
Apple.
repeat? Yes, it's not new though. Right from your LKG, you have been studying A for apple. You know it very well. Next is grew.
Grew.
Next, drop.
Draw.
Then joy.
Joy.
And the last one is at once.
Advance.
Yes, very good. You said properly. Now let us see the word meanings. Not much is there. Apple.
Apple.
A fruit. Apple is
Fruit.
a fruit. Yes, and can you see this picture of apple? You
Yes,
have
ma'am.
seen very well, and here also I have given one picture. Then grew.
Grew.
Past tense of grow.
Past tense of grow.
Yes, to grow means to grow, to become big. Okay, a plant grows, a tree grows. So that is the past tense of grow. Next
We
is
also
drop.
grow, ma'am.
Yes, we also grow. Very good. Drop.
Drop.
Drop means fall
Drop.
down. Yes.
Fall down.
Yes. Next is joy.
Joy.
Joy means happiness.
Happiness.
Yes. And the last one, at once.
At once.
At once means right now
Right now.
or immediately.
Or immediately.
Okay. This is a big word you will learn later on. In big classes, you will learn when you grow up. But just know it for this time. You can write for it right now also. That is an easier meaning for you. Okay. So we come to the end of the new word meanings also. And that's all for the presentation. I will come back to you. Yes. So today our class is over. How did you like it? The new poem?
Ma'am, very nice.
Yes, and it is on your favorite fruit. I'm sure you must have
Yes, ma'am.
liked it. Yes. And would you also think the same way? That if you fall down, someone can eat you, someone can be happy like you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Instead, if you stay in the tree, no one can eat up there and no one can be happy. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Though we have seen in the past that Mittu the parrot was very fond of mangoes and in the tree only he ate the mango. But that was a mango is a soft fruit. It can eat it. But apple is hard to eat, no? So if the apple falls down and we eat, that will be better, I think. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. And then we will end this class today and meet in the next video. Let us end the class with Shanti Path. Join your hands. Om Shanti Shanti. Sai Ram, children.
Saira, ma'am.
Yes.